Alright, we're going to hope the third time's a charm. I have refilled it with more old used car oil. We're going to start it up again. I've refilled the float bowls again. I actually double checked that fuel was coming out of the second carburetor. Once again, there's my big old fuel leaks. Definitely have to pull these carbs apart again. I didn't really actually pull them apart before, I just pulled them out. But the float bowl on the left one here is plugged, but I did pull the drain plug, or loosen the drain plug on the right one, and fuel did come out. So both carbs are getting fuel. Flooded it out there. Those stuck float bowls. Alright, she's a little happier. Hey, Jack Armour decided we're now stuck at 1600 RPM. So I think our rev out problem was just simply there's not enough fuel in the float bowls to keep up. So now that the motor was warm going into this, I felt okay revving it up like that right away. And it ran out pretty good. Now it won't run out, but like I said, we're just using a little bit of fuel inside the bowls, so there's just not enough in there. So that's kind of fun to see that it actually does rev out. Just letting that oil mix again. And let's change it one more time and see if it's any better. All right. Get on there. Hey, look at that. That's about the color it went in. Alright, well, I'm going to go buy some actual motorcycle oil. And instead of filling up with old nasty car oil, she's earned real car oil. We're going to spend our first money on this old Pelican. Woohoo!